Hi everybody, I thought it would be fun to learn how to draw the pigeon from our story, Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. And it doesn't matter if you can't draw, because everybody can draw. If you can make a shape, you can draw. If you can write your name, you can draw. You know, your name is actually a drawing. It's just made up of letters, which are different shapes. And a drawing is basically shapes put in the right order to make what you were thinking about drawing. So it's just basic shapes, especially to draw the pigeon. So first, let's get a pencil, a crayon, or a marker. I'm going to use a black Crayola marker and a blue piece of paper that's about the same color as the pigeon. And here we go. So the first thing you're going to do is draw a circle or the letter O, however you want to look at it. So we're going to draw it at the top of our page right here. So we're going to draw a circle. And it does not have to be a perfect circle. See, mine's not very perfect. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw another circle or letter O in the middle. Now, look at that. You made a donut or a tire. See how easy that was? It's just two circles, one circle inside another one. So if you're making a donut or even a tire, you could just say, well, I'm done. I did it. But we're not done. We are going to draw the pigeon. So we're going to make another circle. We're going to make the pigeon's eye. And he has a little black eye. And which is cool about the black eye is that's what draws you to look at the page and the picture. And so that will show you, however you draw his eye, kind of shows you how he's feeling, if he's happy or if he's sad or if he's confused, or in our book he's really kind of angry because no one's letting him drive the bus. So let's do a little circle. I think I'm going to put mine over here, maybe just another little circle, and then we're going to fill it in. So let's just fill in his little eye, and there's my pigeon. He's just not going to be very happy, I think, my pigeon. And now we're going to make the letter M. And so I'm going to turn my paper a little bit. So now my circle is on my left side. So, and his eyes here. So we're going to put his mouth right here, and we're going to make the letter M. So to make the letter M, we're going to make one line kind of leaning and then coming down like a little mountain, and going back up and then leaning down. See? The letter M. I'm going to turn my page back to how it was. And then we're going to make two straight lines. And they're going to be kind of long. And you can make noise when you draw them. Sometimes I make noise when I'm drawing, like woo and whoosh. There we go. There's our pigeon's long neck. And then the pigeon has two lines going from side to side, not up and down. We're going to go side to side because he's got like a little white patch in the middle of his neck. So we're going to go, and it's okay if you go out of the lines. It's okay. Don't worry about that. It's not a big deal. So now we have his neck and his little white part of his neck and his eyes and his head and his beak. Now we're going to do a body. And this is what Mo Willems, the author and the illustrator, I think he's the man that wrote and drew the pictures, calls his cirque arc. And basically, this is a fun little move. It wants to, the line that you're about to draw wants to be a circle, but ends up being a triangle. So it's kind of like, you're going to go like that, and then go up and that. So here we go. You're going to go, I want to be a circle. I want to be a circle. I want to be a circle. Nope, I want to be a triangle. And then you connect it. You can bring the line down. And if you ever watch Mo Willems draw, he'll show you how funny this is. Look, it's like you made a snow cone or an ice cream cone. It's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be. That's the fun thing about art. It does not have to be perfect. But, so, there's his body. So we're going to turn it back. So we have his body. And we have his body, his neck, his eyes, his mouth. But we're missing something. What are we missing? Oh, feet. He has to have feet. So let's do our feet. So our feet are going to be 2 lines. Are you ready? They're going to be right here on the bottom, here and here. Here we go. 1 line down and another line down. And then now he doesn't have toes or a wing, and I believe the pigeon has toes and a wing. So now we're going to make 3 V's, just like this is kind of like a V. It's like an O or backwards C and a V. So we're going to make 3 V's. So we're going to go right here. We're going to start our V here. V, V, and V. And we are all done, but we're not all done, because when you're done drawing or making your art, you always sign your name. An artist always signs his name to his drawing. So if you can, let's practice writing our name. So my name is Miss Kerri. And if you want, you can put by. That way people know that you're the one who did it. 2 dots. And that, my friends, is how you draw the pigeon. Maybe we can draw again sometime.